It is rightly said that your mind is to having idea, not to remember that. And this is said by a great writer of book, Getting Things Done, David Allen. It means that your mind is not to recall the things, not remember things. It's just to create idea and work on that idea. And because of that, we always try to remember things and we are not able to remember. We do a lot of mistakes. When it is personal, it will work. But if it is professional, it will not work. You might can lose your job. You might can lose your client. And that's why it's a very good habit to note down everything at a place. Sometimes we note things in a notebook, sometimes we note things in a PC, sometimes we note things in our mobile. And we are not able to remember that where we noted all those things. And because of that, we are not able to recall and not able to do the right things when it is required. And that's why today I'm going to share a base tool which you can use on your desktop, on your mobile, on your notepad. And that is OneNote, Microsoft OneNote. So let's get started and see what are the features available in Microsoft OneNote so you can use for your personal life, for your business life.